Today we're gonna do something crazy. I want to show you our carpet. It definitely needs some washing. It actually looks better on the camera than it is. Yeah, we're gonna do something crazy because I know from my grandparents and stuff that you can actually use snow. They used snow in the old times to clean their carpets and blankets and things. Because this is actually distilled water, right?
Distilled water, yes.
And
It's a little bit different chemistry because you cannot eat this. It's dangerous, for example. So maybe that's the effect that provides. I think there's even like more the hydrogen with the water. That's why you cannot eat it or something like this.
interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't know this. We did already something crazy in the morning. We washed our face with this. And
Yes.
it's super refreshing. It's so good.
It's just a fraction of what the Russians do to take almost like a bath with this or
Yes.
something for 5 minutes.
We just put on our faces, our hands, and we just woke up like this. So the trick here is to put your carpet with the upside, but towards the snow, and then you just have to leave it like this for a while. And then it has to be brushed carefully with a dry brush to be taken off. I think you can even use snow and to rub it on top of your carpet, but we're gonna try this method just to put it on the snow upside down, and maybe after an hour or something
I
we'll
cannot wait. Let's go.
take it up. Okay.
It's not that I'm cold. I really want to experiment.
We flip it.
Oh, okay.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, we leave it like this and we'll come back later. So we collected our carpet and I'm just gonna pass it with a dry brush now. Technically it is not supposed to be... Whoa, I got hit by a leaf.
It's autumn and winter.
Look, it's dripping water. It's not supposed to get like soaking wet like this, because they usually do this in very deep snow, but our snow was not that deep. But still, I think it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna brush it like this, and
It's not gonna be wet. It's not gonna be dry brushing anymore. It's wet.
it's wet brushing.
Can't speak it.
And we will leave it to dry, and we will show you how it looks after drying, if it got better. So it is the next day. Our carpet is dry. I'm going to collect it now to put it back, and I can tell that it looks much more refreshed. There were quite a few spots that really needed washing, and they're not there anymore. It looks more vibrant. I definitely can tell that of course washing with soap the natural way is much better, but it is much better than what I expected, the treatment with snow. And I'm really happy. We wash this carpet several times a year, and we were just about to wash it in the standard way, and then the snow came all of a sudden, so we decided to try this technique. And it was very easy and very, very good results. I'm very happy and satisfied. So definitely recommend if you want to give it a try. And don't forget to give us thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, I failed to show you this one. That's just an old carpet we use to cover the houses of the animals sometimes. But this one was by accident left outside, and it got covered all with snow. We didn't do anything to it, just the snow went through it, and it looks so vibrant and so much cleaner.